Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Tales with Tia. Today we're going to be reading another Learn with Peppa Pig story, Fun at the Pool. Fun at the pool. It is summer. We can cool down in the pool. They go down the ladder. Are you getting in? Yes. Peppa Pig kicks her legs. You are way too quick for me. Wait for me. Richard Rabbit kicks his legs hard. That is too much kicking. A can sinks to the bottom of the pool. Daddy Pig gets it back. Good job, Daddy Pig. Richard soaks Daddy Pig with the can. Is it raining? Now let's do a little quiz with Peppa. Fill in the missing letters. Some, ladder, ladder. Kicking. Pool, and raining. How many more words can you think of that end with ing? There's running, swimming, and so many more. Who said it? Is it raining? Daddy Pig said, is it raining? Are you getting in? Peppa said, are you getting in? That is too much kicking. Mummy Pig said that is too much kicking. Wait for me. Who said wait for me? Rebecca Rabbit said wait for me. Point to a speech bubble that contains a word with the oo sound in it. This one, that is too much kicking. Too has the oo sound in it. Thank you for reading this book with me. I hope you enjoyed this story. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting Learn with Peppa Pig books like this. Bye! See you next time.